Hello all. By the way, myself Yuvraj. I am working as an assistant professor in mechanical department at SNS College of Technology. So I am here to present about the SNS Institutions Road Map. Okay. So here, it's my pleasure to introduce about our SNS College system and what we are following in our education system, and for a students career development what kind of pillars that we use to follow. So in all that way, I'm just going to speak about our future vision and as well as the missions what we are following. Okay. So generally our vision is to promote the education, innovation and social growth. So that is a primary thing. Okay. And find our SNS institution is an pioneer in design thinking based education in India. And also this roadmap reflects about how the SNS shapes the future of learning, research and the innovation. So before that, I just want to introduce about this SNS. We having the comprises of SNS College of Technology, Academy, SNS College of Allied Health Sciences, and following that we having a pharmacy, and we having SNS College of Arts and Science. And these are the institutions we are the comprises of these institutions, and focusing mainly on blending academics, innovation and entrepreneurship. So we know that I hope you all know about SNS is known for adapting the design thinking framework in across in all learning levels. It can be opted for all different type of learners. So that is a primary thing. Okay, so the primary philosophy which we use to follow, it is about the learning by doing. So that is in our curriculum we use to follow only in that way. And our vision of the institution is to build the world-class ecosystem for learning, innovation, and societal transformation. It is used to establish the entrepreneur mindset to our students. The primary motto is to establish the entrepreneurship mindset in all the students by through the design thinking framework, and for that we empower the learners by through the design thinking and experiential learning. And also we try to nurture the innovation, employability and ethical leadership, and to create the global citizens who can contribute the sustainable development by through some of the core values like innovation, collaboration and integrity. By through the social responsibility and lifelong learning, we use it to follow these kind of core values. And how can we achieve, as I said, we just going to make a entrepreneurial mindset for every students. Okay, so how can we initiate about their kind of learning, how can we make the mindset like that? So here we use it to follow the 5 pillars roadmap. The first thing that is focusing on only about the academic excellence. By through the academics, the students can getting the outcome based education, and the curriculum which is aligned with the industry standards, and primarily focusing on conceptual understanding and the skill development. And by it can be analyzed by through the continuous internal and external evaluation exams. So in short form, it is what you call that CLT pillar, that is an center for learning and teaching. So that is the first pillar. And following that, the second pillar, it is about CFC, that is center for creativity. And here I mentioned that is a, in short form, it is what you call that is research and innovation. Okay, by promoting the R&D centers and the innovation hubs, and we use it to encouraging the patents, publications and the funded projects from both the faculties, and also we expect from the students to participate in it. And we use it to collaborate with the industries for doing the projects and along with the research organization, and fostering a culture of curiosity and creativity by through this research work. And the third pillar, it is about the skill and career development. In short form, it is called SCD. So it is about the placement and career readiness training, and by through the technical and soft skills enhancement programs, we use it to preparing the students in that way. And we having a tie-ups with leading industries for the internship and career counseling cells which has established in our institution for focusing primarily on the students careers in placements. And in the fourth pillar, it is about the entrepreneurship development, that is an IIPC in the Industry Institute Partnership Cell. So by through that, the dedication, innovation and incubation center which has been established, and the primary purpose, it is used for supporting the student and the faculty startups, entrepreneur boot camps, hackathons, startup challenges which we use it to make, and collaboration with the MSME and the startup India. The student can able to register their innovation by through their by through the startups ideas. And also we can, the last pillar which we use it to follow, that is a social responsibility. That social responsibility is what you call that SRF in short form, that is a social responsibility initiative. And here there is a active participation in community development and the NSS activities. So there is so many green campus initiative which we used to do, and sustainable projects. Along with that, there is a social innovation challenges for the students which we are using for the rural upliftment programs and the social entrepreneurship. So how can we achieve this all kind of works, means by through that design thinking framework, as I said. So basically we having five different stages. One is called empathize, second is define, third is ideate, fourth one prototype and test. Empathize means we approaching the customers and collecting the feedback about their current users of the particular product, and we can define what is the exact problem in that, and ideate for the problem, what is the solution for it, and we make a prototype for checking our idea, and finally it is for a testing. So we can encourage in the problem solving by through the creativity and collaboration, and student projects also focused only in that way. And at SNS, every learner is a thinker, creator and innovator. And to achieve this thing, we having a good technology and infrastructure along with the digital learning tools, and we having advanced laboratories and center of excellences, high speed digital connectivity and e-learning platforms that we have established. And it is a sustainable and green campus environment. Along with that, libraries, incubation centers also there, students can use this for their development. And about our achievements and milestones, we having a NAC A plus accredited and NBA accredited, ISO certified quality management, over 200 plus patents and research publications we have it. And our future goals is to become a global hub for design thinking based education, and we can trying to strengthen the industrial collaboration and the student exchange programs, primarily focusing on the technology like AI, IoT, sustainability and smart manufacturing thing. And we can plan to make 1,000 startups within the Coimbatore region, and we are working for it. So I hope you all come to understand about our SNS Institutional Road Map, and we will meet on next new session. Thank you so much.